In this video, I'm going to show you how to change pitch in BandLab Mobile. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to open up the specific project, and then of course you want to select the track which you want to change the pitch of. So in this tutorial here, I'm just going to do it for this audio track I have, the third blue track you can see over here. So what you want to do is you want to go to the bottom left and tap on that setting icon at the very bottom left. And when you do that, as you can see, it's going to pop up a bunch of different things. Now here, there's like different colors rectangles. I'm going to select this blue one over here, and then inside that blue area at the top right you can see there's the three dots. So you want to tap on those three dots, and from here you want to tap on effects, and this will open up the effects. Now up top, as you can see, there's a bunch of different things, and if you scroll through you will find pitch shift. Okay, so just tap on pitch shift, or what you could also do is basically just tap on the search button top right and type in pitch. Now here it's going to give you a bunch of different options, and the one I'm going to use here is the pitch shifter. You could use any of the other ones as well, but I'm going to just tap on the middle one over here, and there we go. I now have the pitch shifter. I can go ahead and select the input type over here, and then I can select the shift over here. You can just slide this with your finger, and then the mix as well. And whenever you're happy, you can just basically tap on the button top left, and this is going to go back out, and now your basically pitch changer has been applied. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.